journey to your plate begins here, in our very own farm. Every leaf, every vegetable, every herb is carefully nurtured under the Naivasha sun. Our soil tells a story of freshness, of patience, and of natural abundance. Walking through the rows, our chef surveys the day's harvest, checking the ripest vegetables, the freshest herbs, handpicking only the best. This is where quality is born, long before it reaches the kitchen. From the farm, the harvest is brought straight into our stores, carefully sorted and preserved to keep every flavor intact. Here, freshness is protected, ready for the magic ahead. And then, into the kitchen it goes. Knives slice one after another, pans sizzle, and aromas rise as our chefs transform nature's best into mouth-watering creations. At Lemaiyan Suites, every dish begins with a promise, pure, fresh, and straight from the source.